Are you looking for a way to help unwind after a long day at work or driving? Now you can massage away the tension and muscle pain with the RENPHO Shiatsu massaging cushion, just like a Shiatsu massage in your own home. Adjustable elastic straps hold the massage cushion in place on most chairs, whether at home or in the office. Plug in, power on, and enjoy the spa-like treatment. The unique massage pillow is height adjustable up to 4.8 inches with the controller, making it suitable for most heights, and also features a removable and washable polyurethane cover. The 4 massage heads with 8 rotating nodes rotate clockwise and counterclockwise on your back to offer a comprehensive relaxing experience. Adjustable massage nodes allow you to select a targeted pain point on the back for deep tissue shiatsu massage, relieving muscle tension and fatigue. This portable massage cushion provides you with deep kneading, shiatsu, and rolling for your neck, independently selectable heat function, and 3 optional soothing vibration intensity levels in the seat to help alleviate aches and pain. Easily foldable, the RENPHO neck and back massager make it perfect for at home, in the office, or for on the go. Give your aching neck, shoulders, and back the luxury they deserve with the customizable massage cushion. Live healthy, live smart.